Namaste, ma'am. Hi. I just want to quickly ask you what was the key highlights for you from this session or the overall?
Thank you, APEC. And this is the platform where you can utilize the AI and tell about your audiences to your society how the use of AI and the technology and give the leverage to the patients coming to the hospitals, and as well as how the patient can be more tech savvy to save their time when they are coming to the hospital or whether they are availing the services. Because as a healthcare provider, my aim is to provide the maximum patient satisfaction to the clients who are coming to the hospital and reduce their time, because time is money anyway. When they take the leave from their working place and coming to the hospital, I mean, it is pinches to everyone that they have taken the leave. And so the entire day should not be consumed just to get one prescription. So, use of AI in the OPD, having said that, during the session also as a panelist, that automation is required in all the departments, in all the industries. So, the times to come, the innovation of technology and the use of technology, example is WhatsApp. I mean, 10-15 years back, people were hardly knowing that how they can use the WhatsApp. Now, every now and then, I mean, in the even the government people, officials, everybody has their working platform through WhatsApp. So that is the one way. And other, if you use the robotic and artificial intelligence, whether in the use of the radiology services, whether in your ER emergency services, OPD services, reception, to reduce the queue system. I mean, technology plays important role in times to come, and I think we all should learn and become tech savvy.
What are the drawbacks that you feel while using leveraging? Of course, is one key, but what are the drawbacks that you feel are from AI and digital when it comes to patient care?
See, AI or any machine or robot, it has a limitation, and these are invented by the human brain. So, human brain will always remain on the top and paramount over these technologies and the machine. So, we cannot replace human brain with the technology, though we can leverage the technology, but human brain will remain paramount above all these things.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope you have a lovely day.